welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, I am KK. Well, K the Goddess. That's just like a name that I go by. If you're new, subscribe and like and watch all of my videos. If you're not new, welcome back, bitches. We're back with another tutorial. So I forgot to do my intro, so that's why I'm doing it now. Them on my background, I gotta clean my room and stuff. But today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this. Like it was a silk press, but I decided to do some curls, so it made it fluff out a little bit. But gonna show you guys how I achieved this look after taking down my soft locks. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm gonna show you guys, well, anyways, just let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Bye. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna just like, this little front, I'm gonna like detangle it a little bit. I just wanna see what it's hitting for. Y'all see how dirty my hair is right now? It's so dirty. You guys, my hair is literally growing. Like, I'm putting some clips of before.
1 year after starting hair journey.
Any tips?
I'm going to use this Total Miracle Detangling Spray with apricot and Australian macadamia oil. And it's this right here. It's the Usi. And my sister put me onto this. Okay, what's up, you guys? So we're back. This is day 2. So I finally finished taking all my dreads, soft locks, whatever you call it, out of my head, you guys. It took a minute. It literally took, I didn't even go to work because I was trying to finish my hair. So we're gonna wash it because I have work tomorrow at 9 a.m. So I'm trying to get everything done tonight before I even go to sleep. And it is currently 10:46 right now, so I'm exhausted. I've been up all day, well, since 3 I woke up. But so we're gonna go ahead and wash my hair. I'm washing it in the sink so you guys can see. I usually don't wash my hair in the shower because it tends to clog up the drain. Everyone should know that. So gonna wash my hair in the sink, show you guys the products. We're gonna diffuse it and everything. So make sure I put each step, speed it up so it's not going super slow. And yeah, to show my detangling process. My hair is very, 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 very dry right now, and y'all, I cut a piece of my hair, which I'm gonna insert right here. I literally cut one little strand of my hair, and I'm so mad, but because this is the second time this has happened. So I think I have like one piece of my hair that's like still slowly growing back, because this is the second time I've cut my hair. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video, you guys. Okay, guys, so this is how my hair is looking right now. We're gonna go ahead and do a wash, and these are the products that I'm using. Oh, why is my bag so oily? But I have this. I have this is the Do Girl Mega Thick shampoo for all you thin-headed hoes, okay, including me. And then I have the Mega Thick conditioner, the volumizing formula right here. And then, like I said, I'm going to use a deep condition, and then I'm going to use this right here, the Usi 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. And after that, I'm going to use the Total Miracle Detangling Spray to detangle my hair. So let's go ahead and get into it. Miracle. Y'all, my hair. Okay, I feel like it's starting to get back to its natural state. Ready for the last step in the washing process. So remember, leave this on for 3 minutes. Wash it out with the following conditioner. So spray just right here, spray it all over, and then we're gonna detangle with this comb. So y'all, I literally had like a big chunk of hair that literally got stuck. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do this other side off camera, and then I'll come back when it's all detangled. Okay guys, so we're back, and I've detangled as much as I could by myself, and so now I'm gonna add the Usi heat protectant. And then heat protectant. Spray a little bit in my hair. And so now we're gonna get to the blow drying part. Before I use this part, I want to use my diffuser just a tad bit, just to, you know, dry my hair a little. This blow dryer works really great, but at times when I was blow drying my hair, I felt like my hair was getting very dry, but in the end it gave me a great blowout look for my silk press. So if y'all want to get that blow dryer, it's from Amazon, period. It's from Nixon, like Nixon. I'll put the link in the description box below so y'all can purchase it if y'all want. Okay guys, so now we're gonna flat iron this. Y'all, I wish I would have got more footage of me flat ironing it, but I think I stopped recording because my phone was finna die. But next time, if I do another silk press, I'll record the entire time of me flat ironing so you can guys really see what it looked like before I curled it. Okay, bitches, don't motherfucking come for me for using regular ass scissors to cut my ends, because I know that they could cause split ends even more probably. Don't hate me for it. We're out. So you guys, this is what my hair ended up looking like after I did the little flat iron part, but this is after I did the ponytail. So I wanted to show you guys a video of me actually having it down.